we'll bring the onions in the building once they're dry and cured, so the skins are loose and they'll be clean. And where the first thing you'll see is the onions are being, a forklift is rotating the onions out of the boxes into a feed hopper, which steadily feeds the onions onto the line, so we have a constant flow, a steady stream of onions, the same amount at all times going through the grater. Then they'll go into the other room that is called the cleaning room, which will, the first machine you'll see is called a Tommer sorter. So what that's doing is it has a camera on it, and as the onions go across it, anything that's not an onion, a piece of dirt, a rock, a piece of clay tile, it'll be ejected out of the line, and any foreign material. So it helps, keep for food safety, and it, keeps anything that's not an onion out of our line. Actually, you don't want that in your package. Then the next thing they'll go through is the onion topper. So, an onion, it grows, has a bulb and has a top on it. When you harvest it in the field, you take some of that top off, but it's not perfect. So what this will do is it takes the rest of it off, and it'll leave you with about a 1-inch top on it, and make the onion look what you see in the store, nice and clean. And all that is, you can, as we go by, you'll be able to look into the window. It'll be a little dusty, through the window, but you'll be able to see what's happening. The onions are going across just like an open grate. It's basically an upside down lawnmower. And the blade basically pulls the top down and cuts it off, and then they're vibrate across and out through it. Then we'll go down some more stairs and back up into the other room, and that's where the main piece of equipment in this building and why we built this line is the optical grater, E-grater. So what that's doing is every single onion is being singulated on its own individual cup. As it goes through the line, the first thing that'll happen to it is it's called near-infrared technology, which is determining the internal quality of the onion. So basically it's a light that passes through each onion, and we've calibrated the machine so it has a curve that determines its water content, basically in simple terms. And we have a value range that tells if it's good or bad on the inside. The next thing it goes through is its first set of cameras, which you'll see. It's a large white box that goes over the whole line. So that's taking 3 pictures of the onion, one from the top and one from each side. Then you'll see the onion gets tipped off its first cup onto its second cup. Then it goes through another set of cameras, which takes 3 more pictures. So it's another one from the top and another one from the side, but since the onion gets tipped over, it's taking it from the other side of the onion. So we'll take 6 pictures of every onion and do the internal quality on every onion. Then after that is where it's a long, basically kind of open space at the end of the line. There's 12 different exits, so which we set for different quality specifications, sizes, that kind of thing. That for different onion, categories and what we're packing. There's basically 3 to 4 different sizes of onions, you could say. There's a small onion, which is something under 2 inches, 2 or 2 1/4, and then a medium onion, which you could say is 2 1/4 inches to 3 inch, and then a jumbo onion, which is 3 to 3 1/4, or 3 to 3 1/4, sorry, and then anything over that is would be a colossal or super colossal.